received it now, and I'm gonna make an unboxing video of this books because I'm really excited. I've not yet read any book or any novel. I've not even seen the Harry Potter series, but I still bought it. But I'm really excited to open it because I just can't wait to unbox this right now. But I'm gonna tell you that I have ordered 3 books, that is edition 1, 2 and 3 of it. That it's movies. From movies it's 1, 2 and 3 parts. There are total 3 books in it, and I'm gonna order more if I like this one. So let's start this unboxing. And yeah, I've ordered this book from Flipkart, so if you wanna buy this too, so I'll provide you the link in the description box below. Let's unbox this. So guys, books, it's 1, 2 and 3. Oh, it's inverted. I gotta invert the video. So these are the 3 books. Like, look how thick it is. I just like to stack them on the like this. It's so good. I'm just so excited. Have you looked at this? This is the first part of the book. And I'm so good. Like, the quality of the books is so, I'm not expected this good books, right? But only the first part. The cover is kind of, it's mixed printed, or I don't know, it just has something, so dots or something on it. The first cover is like this, and it has little creeps in here, but it's okay. It's written of rupees, 399 rupees, but I've got this 3 books in 299. I've got this 3 books in 299, and here it is of 7.99 euro. This book. Now, the price is different from what it seems, what it's written. The MRP is not what you pay to them. So I'm really happy by this book. It is so good. You guys should buy this one as well.